this is a bill which is going to be very consequential. An income tax act every year, some amendment in the finance bill itself, we all pay a lot of attention, go into the details, what will it mean, what is the implication on me, how many people will end up paying more, paying less, what are the other provisions with which action will be taken on me, and so on. All of us are quite aware of that. So for even one little amendment to the Income Tax Act, there is so much attention given for the finance bill during the budget session every year. So this is a very consequential act in that we are changing the 1961 Act itself in a way, removing it and bringing a new act. We won't remove it in total because there will still be some cases or some incidents which relate to that period, and therefore that 61 Act will continue in some form only to the limited purpose of attending to those period relevant matters. So if this is the seriousness with which this country is looking at bringing a assessee friendly, taxpayer friendly act, replacing the 1961 Act, and it is a milestone which this country's financial system will face, I am shocked that the opposition doesn't want to participate in it. And let me tell you, sir, initially understanding the importance and the consequential nature of this, the opposition parties agreed in the Business Advisory Council, Business Advisory Committee, that they will indeed participate in the Lok Sabha and also in the Rajya Sabha on this bill and debate it.
Allotted time.
And they were allotted 16 hours in Lok Sabha, 16 hours of debate in Rajya Sabha. Most often the opposition says, no, you don't want to discuss anything. We are asking for public, people's interest, public's interest. We want to have charcha on this matter. We agreed for 16 hours of charcha in Lok Sabha, 16 hours of charcha here. Okay, you had some protest, you want to march to the Election Commission, you went. But you came back, participate. You agreed to give 16 hours time for this discussion. Why are they away, sir, today? And when we talk about tax and tax related matters, they will say, no, you are imposing tax burden on the people. Let me tell you, prior to COVID onwards, 2019 onwards, Prime Minister Modi has given clear instructions. COVID or no COVID, we shall not increase the tax burden on people. Not one paisa has been increased. And in fact, the new income tax scheme which was brought in so that people who still want to enjoy the benefits of some kind of deductions can remain in the old scheme. But people who want to be paying less tax with or without deductions, we came up with a user-friendly new regime. And there consequentially every year we've been reducing both the rate and widening the slabs, income slabs. This year, historically, as a big milestone, Prime Minister Modi said at least 12 lakhs tak no tax should be paid by any Indian citizen, which means up to 1 lakh per month salary, no one will have to pay any tax. The structure was made simple, rates were reduced, rebates were given, so no tax for up to 12 lakhs income. And further, for others in a different income bracket, rates were reduced. So that is the way in which every budget we are making it easier for the taxpayer.